Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2017 Chevrolet Equinox LT. This vehicle is featured in black metallic paint. We have our decal design on the side, black alloy rims, rear privacy tint, sunroof, power liftgate, navigation, and power adjustable seats, which are heated with lumbar support. And now moving on to the interior of the Equinox. On our door panel we can see our chrome door handle, window and mirror controls, as well as our Pioneer speaker system and storage underneath. Side of the seat we have our power adjustable seats with lumbar support. Then we have our gauge cluster with digital speedometer, multifunction leather wrapped steering wheel, cruise control and radio controls, our infotainment screen with backup camera. Below we have controls for the infotainment screen. You can see our navigation, our climate controls, heated seat options for driver and passenger up front here, then our charging outlet underneath, storage for our phone, eco mode, gear selection stalk, 2 cup holders and traction control, our padded leather center console lid, front seats featured in black cloth with red stitching, then a mesh pattern in the lower portion. On the rearview mirror we have OnStar controls, and above that are 3 garage door openers, reading lights, sunroof and moonroof controls, liftgate controls, gray headliner, and our sunroof overhead. Now back onto the exterior, we can see our black alloy rims with Chevrolet bow tie center caps. We have paint matched mirror caps and door handles, rear privacy tint. And around to the back of the vehicle, we have our Equinox and LT badging in chrome. Chevrolet bow tie once again. We can open it up. Inside we'll find plenty of storage room, as well as a rear fold-down 60/40. Now onto the rear interior, we can see our chrome door handle, window switch, as well as our speaker and storage. Back of the front seats, we have our mesh magazine holders. And back of the center console area, we have our rear charging outlet. And we have our rear 60/40 with fold-down center seat in the middle, featuring 2 cup holders inside. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of our 2017 Chevrolet Equinox. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.